Hello dear students. This video is related to the yesterday's Zoom class. Topic is lactation. Lactation is related to the three types of terms: formation, secretion and ejection of the milk. When these three types of terms combine together, then they are responsible for the process of lactation. Basically, lactation is also known as the neuroendocrine reflex. Why this is known as neuroendocrine reflex, we will discuss afterwards. First of all, we should have knowledge that important terms which are related to the lactations. These are as follows. First, milk secretion. Milk secretion takes place with the help of a hormone which is known as prolactin. Prolactin hormones play a very important role to stimulate the alveoli of the mammary glands of the female. Whenever the female's mammary glands alveoli will stimulate, then they are able to produce the milk. So prolactin hormones play a very important role in it. But the prolactin hormones work in that time when the progesterone and estrogen hormones level is low in the females or the maternal blood. Prolactin secretion is stimulated when estrogen and progesterone level is low. This process is known as lactogenesis. So in the case of lactogenesis process, when the progesterone or estrogen levels hormones is very low in maternal blood, then prolactin hormones have tendency to stimulate the alveoli of the female's mammary glands. Now another important term is also related to it, which is known as galactogenesis. Galactogenesis means the maintenance of the continuous production and the flow of the milk. It means fluency of the milk should be must necessary, because it is important for the nourishment of the particular baby or the fetus or the newborn baby. But different types of hormones, they play a very important role in galactogenesis process. These hormones are very important. These hormones are known as growth hormones, thyroxine and the cortisol. They help to maintain the fluency and the production of the milk. After that, another important term, milk ejection. Milk bahar kaise aata hai? Milk ejection, there is a hormone which is known as oxytocin. It is also known as milk hormones. Oxytocin hormones responsible for the contraction of the mammary glands. Mammary glands have got a contraction process. With the help of this contraction process, with the help of the mammary glands or the nipple, now the milk have tendency to come out or nourish the baby or the fetus. This term is related to the milk ejection. So remember the hormone which is known as oxytocin. It play a very important role in contraction of the mammary glands. There is another term which is related to the initial stage of the milk, which is known as colostrum. In Hindi it is known as gada pila doodh or khees. What is colostrum? Colostrum, basically it is a yellowish thick milk which have got all types of nutritive things. For example, this colostrum have all types of antibiotics which play a very important role to boost up the immunity of the particular baby. Second thing, it have also the different types of proteins. Some vitamin part is also related to it, and fat is also found in a oil form or the small oil droplets. In this way, indirectly we can say that the colostrum or the milk of the mother is the compact form of the all types of nutritive things. That's why the starting or the earlier stage, the colostrum and the हिंदी में इसको गाढ़ा पीला दूध भी कहते हैं. It is very important for the newborn baby. In next video, we will discuss different types of diseases.